Hey everybody and welcome back. Today is the day for us to announce the giveaway winner. And since so many of you participated in this giveaway, there were so many entries, it took us a while for us to go through them. And we wanted to honor your love for us because there were so many entries, we decided that there would be two winners. Not one, but two winners. One will be decided through a lottery, through a random name picker, and the other one will be decided based on your comments. So for the lottery, let's go ahead and draw a winner. So now we have our YouTube video and let's start. And the lottery winner for the giveaway is Kunal Soni. Congratulations Kunal, you are the winner for our books. And we also wanted to pick one winner which is based on comments because so many of you took the time and effort to write such amazing comments. So for our comment winner, we have selected Namrata Singh. Namrata, we really enjoyed everything that you wrote and we hope that you enjoy our books as well. Congratulations to both of our winners. Both the winners, please write an email to us on contact@asaplaw.in, which is our official email address, with an identity proof, and we will dispatch your prize to you ASAP.